Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I gonna show you how to fix Google Play Store try again problem. If you are trying to install any one of app but there is a option of try again, how to fix this problem. For this purpose, first of all open setting, and after opening of setting you have to simply tap on apps, scroll down and find out apps. Here you will see the next option, manage apps. Tap on it and now scroll down to Google Play Store. Here is the Google Play Store. Tap on it and now tap on storage, and you have to simply clear cache. Tap on cache and after that clear cache, and your problem will be solved. And this is not helpful for you. What to do? In next step, you have to simply open Chrome, and after opening of Chrome, tap Google Play Store on search bar. Tap on it, and here you will see Google Play Services, Google Play Store, and you have to download latest version of Google Play Store and your problem will be solved. And if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more quick videos. Bye bye.